Okay folks, here we are at Pickle Springs and we came up on the first really cool feature of this. We're probably pretty close to about 200 miles away from home, and this is a Department of Conservation and Nature area. I just wanted to walk you through this first part just a little bit. That's really cool down in here. Like a walkway between these two sets of bluffs. Give you an idea how deep down in here it is. Again, the trail's 2 miles long. Shouldn't take over an hour to get through here, but this is really cool down in here. Kitty back there in the background. Well, hopefully we'll get several more videos down through here, and remember our videos and everything on our channel, it's free to subscribe to our channel, so anybody comes across this and enjoys what you see on some of our little treks that we take off on, to give us a thumbs up and definitely take time to share and subscribe to our channel. Really appreciate it. And to all my subscribers, again guys, hope you like some of the stuff that we do and show you some of the videos of the cool places we go. This is just awesome down in here. We'll probably have 2 or 3 little segments of this place for sure. We definitely picked a pretty good day for this too, because it's clouded up a little bit. A lot cooler than it was yesterday at the other 2 places we went to. So I'm going to go back up here, hook up with Miss Kitty again, and then we're going to come walk back through all of this. I just want to do a quick video of what it looks like at first. But we are headed that way down into that gorge. So guys, have a good day, and we will get some more video of this place. Somewhere down in here there's a small, if the water's running, there's a small waterfall and spring, so that's why they call it Pickle Springs. So take care, be sure to share and like our videos, and we'll talk to you later guys. Okay, Miss Kitty, let's go. Hey everybody, Kevin and Miss Kitty again. So we've come up on another cool feature down here at Pickle Springs. Want to make sure we got a video of that. Try to catch all the stuff that's kind of unique along this trail.
So a big rock.
Like out in the middle of the woods, in the middle of nowhere, and this huge rock formations out here. Kind of makes you think of Elephant Rock that we was at yesterday, but it's a totally different area. We stayed overnight last night in Farmington, Missouri to take advantage of today. What's the name of that Best Western we went to?
Sure stay.
Sure Stay. We stayed at the Sure Stay Best Western in Farmington. Pretty nice little motel and everything. Had a restaurant and pub that was right beside it that was called Spokes. That was a good place to eat. Made it real convenient for us.
Spokes, I think.
Was it Spokes?
I think so.
I thought it was Spokes. Really good, convenient area. The restaurant and lounge is connected to the motel, so we didn't have to worry about, once we got the car unloaded, we didn't have to worry about getting in the car and going anywhere. This is a really pretty place, folks. If you ever get a chance to come down here to Pickle Springs, natural area, just load up and come, because it is worth the trip. We'll go down this walkway here. Oh, that's cool. That's awesome. If you're a new viewer and just happen to come across this channel, be sure to check out our other videos. We did a couple more parks yesterday, Johnson Shut-ins and then Elephant Rock, so be sure to check those out too. I thought Elephant Rock was really cool. The Shut-ins is pretty cool, but I'm almost thinking this would be my favorite of all three. I mean, it's out in the middle of nowhere. Walk on down here and get to some of this other that's pretty cool. This is called the Double Arch. We'll walk down there. Oh, this is awesome. Yeah, that's definitely well worth the trip. There's Miss Kitty. Hi, Miss Kitty. Miss Kitty brought her camera along to get some still pictures of some of the really neat formations down here. Alrighty folks, well that's enough of this one for right now. Again, please share our videos with your friends and family, and to all my subscribers, appreciate it guys and gals. Take care and enjoy. Bye bye.